Good morning. We are doing a day in the life vlog on the DJI Neo. So we're gonna take you around, have a day out in Singapore, but with the DJI Neo as my primary vlogging camera today. It's a beautiful day in Singapore, so I think it's perfect weather to fly the drone and take it out for a little fly and continue this vlog. So we're going to the park right now and then maybe getting some breakfast or maybe getting a coffee. I'm gonna make a coffee downstairs first. See you there. This is my iced Americano. Cheers. All right, so we are now taking a little walk at Bishan Park. It's a recreational park near my place. So I'm just doing a little bit of a walk right now. It's perfect to use the DJI Neo for situations like this because you don't have anyone filming you, so it's just gonna be walking around and it's gonna be filming you as you walk, and it's perfect. I would say that I would prefer this than any other setup that I have. Now I'm holding it as a vlogging camera because I'm not going to be flying it over the water right now. What else should we do today? I think we're going to do a little bit of a drive and then go by the marina, get some aerial views of the city, and that'll be awesome to film on the DJI since the weather is perfectly sunny today, so we have a good opportunity to get some aerial shots of Singapore. There are a lot of cool parks in Singapore that not a lot of people go to because of the weather, but if you choose the right day, you get really, really nice weather. And the right timing, there's not many people. So we are doing a little walk through Henderson Wave right now. So this is happening. And obviously the DJI Neo is not going to do well outside. It's currently raining a lot, so we are not flying outside right now. We are going to be cooking dinner because it's New Year's Eve and I'm making tacos. Hey Ollie. So, can you... Okay, put that down. We're cooking. Oh. Tacos. Okay, we're cutting the vegetables now, and Yuri is gonna take over. I'm just gonna finish cutting this one. So like this. Yep. Down, down, down. Yep. 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 No. Yep. Woo. Tacos for dinner. That's all for the vlog. Thank you for watching. I will see you next year on the next one.